Klover advertises cash advances of up to $200 for eligible users, but not every account qualifies for the maximum amount or receives an advance instantly. By the end of this video, you'll know how Klover works, who may qualify for an advance, and whether the advertised $200 instant advance is realistic for your account. The short answer is yes. The $200 advance is a real feature of the Klover app. However, it's not an automatic amount that every new user receives. Klover reviews your account before determining your eligibility and the advance amount available to you. To get started, you'll need to create a Klover account, connect a supported bank account, and complete any identity verification requested during setup. Once your account is verified, Klover evaluates your eligibility and displays the advance amount currently available. If you qualify, you'll see the offer directly inside the app, rather than needing to guess what you're eligible for. It's also important to understand that approval and funding are separate steps. Even after your advance is approved, the time it takes to receive the money depends on the delivery option you choose and your bank's processing schedule. That means one user may receive funds sooner than another, even if both are approved on the same day. Another feature many users notice is Klover's rewards system. Depending on the app's current program, completing eligible activities may help unlock or support certain features within your account. The available rewards and requirements are shown inside the app, so check those details before assuming every feature is immediately available. If your account isn't approved for the full amount, don't assume something is wrong. Klover determines eligibility individually, so different users may see different advance amounts based on their account information and review results. Keeping your bank connection active and completing all requested verification steps gives the app the information it needs to evaluate your account accurately. Before requesting an advance, make sure you're using the latest version of the Klover app, and that there are no account alerts requiring your attention. If your eligibility or advance amount seems incorrect, contact Klover support through the app and provide your account details so they can review your status. To recap, Klover's advertised advance of up to $200 is a real feature for eligible users, but the amount you receive depends on your individual account. Complete your setup, verify your information, and check the advanced section to see exactly what your account qualifies for. If this review helped you understand how Klover works, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews, comparisons, and troubleshooting guides.